As you can see, this website has paid out over $1 billion and is visited by over 70 million people on a monthly basis from all over the world. You can see on this page that we have people from Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Oceania, and Africa visiting this platform. And not only does it work globally, but thanks to another website I've never shown before, you'll be able to make money online in passive income without doing any of the actual work. And with that said, let's get right into this tutorial. As you have all seen in the introduction today, I have a website to share with you that has paid out a lot of money to people from all over the world, and you don't need to do any work if you keep watching this video because I have a way for you to get paid in what is nearly passive income. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, the website in question is Shutterstock.com. Some of you have probably heard of this website by now, but for those of you who haven't, Shutterstock is essentially a place where you can find thousands upon thousands of beautiful images that you can download if you invest some money into this website. It's kind of like a paid version of Pixels and Pixabay.com, both of which I've extensively demonstrated on this channel. With that stated, does this imply that you must put money in Shutterstock? Actually, you won't be paying them at all. There's something else you'll be doing to get paid, and for that reason, I won't go over the features of this website. If you want to learn more about the platform, by all means, go ahead. But I'll skip that and instead show you what you have to do when you come over here. First, scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and then click on Sell Your Material, which is found right here. Some of you may be thinking that you'll have to sell images, but it is actually far easier than that. As you can see on this very page, Shutterstock pays you when someone downloads one of your images. This is crucial to note because it means you won't have to worry about selling your photos, which Shutterstock does for you. All you have to do is upload the photo to this website. The truly amazing thing here is that anyone, professional or not, can publish their images. And in this guide, I will teach you where to obtain professional and gorgeous photos that you can upload on this website for free so you can make money without actually doing any effort. In other words, you don't need a camera for this. You don't have to work hard to take those photos yourself. You literally don't have to do any of the work to make money. But if some of you watching this are photographers or have a camera and enjoy taking beautiful photos, I would strongly encourage all of you to do so as well. You may, of course, utilize my approach to get even more money. But don't pass up such an opportunity to get paid big time if you have a camera, because many people don't and thus won't be able to make as much money, though they won't have to do any work at all, so there's that. On this page, I wanted to show you something you saw in the introduction. Shutterstock has paid out over $1 billion. This shows you that there is money to be made here, so what you do today to make this work won't be in vain, and it can actually pay off big time, especially since once you upload those videos onto this website, you won't have to do anything else. With that being said, if you click on this button, you'll be able to see something else I mentioned in the intro, that this website works globally. You will also be able to see that people from all over the world have made millions of dollars with this website, demonstrating how much money there is to be made here and the sheer potential this has. Finally, if you go to similarweb.com, you will see that the platform is extremely popular and is currently being visited by over don't get that much attention. They are bound to get some, and so whether you are a beginner or expert, you'll be able to make money with this website thanks to the sheer popularity it has. The more popular website like Shutterstock is, the more money there is to be made, and this one is indeed extremely popular. Anyway, now that I've gotten all of that information out of the way, let me show you what I need to do on this page here. Again, all of the other information they have on here you can check out for yourself, and I strongly recommend you all to do so, but I won't extend this video. What you need to do now is either click on the Join Now button here, or scroll up a bit and click on Get Started here. Either way, you will be directed to this page where they will ask you to sign up, which is completely free. To begin, type in your full name followed by your display name, which is essentially your username, your email, and finally your password. And that is all there is to it. To sign up for free, tick this box, complete this CAPTCHA, and click Next. And from there, you will type in a few more details about yourself before being able to log in. Once you have logged in, the next step is to figure out how you are going to make money with this site if you don't have a camera or are not a professional photographer. Once you have logged in, the next step is to figure out how you are going to make money with this site if you don't have a camera or are not a professional photographer. I'll show you right now, and we won't be using just one platform to find photos. You actually want to use all of the sites I'm about to show you. The first of which may come as no surprise is Google.com. It is on Google where you can easily find thousands of beautiful photos. You now want to type in something in the search bar that will give you beautiful images, but that vary and are not just in one niche. You can type in stuff like nature, landscape, sunrise. I typed in nature as an example. And you can see that all of these photographs are incredibly lovely. But before you go ahead and download one of them, you should do something very important. You should first click on Tools right here, then on Usage Rights, and finally on Creative Commons. What this does is that Google will now show you photos that you can download, use, and make money of for free without having to deal with any copyright issues. In other words, you can download any of these photographs here and easily re-upload them to Shutterstock to begin earning passive revenue despite the fact that you did not have to take a single photograph. It is basically that simple. The next two websites you should use for those photographs are pixels.com and pixabay.com, which I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Just like those photos on Google, you may download and generate money of their content on these two websites without any copyright issues. And so just like on Google, search for photographs and try to pick the most attractive ones. You can even use the ones on the front page if they are good enough, and attempt to download as many of these as you can so you can optimize your chances of getting paid on pixels.com. The last website you can use for images is idplr.com, which will undoubtedly provide you with the most of them. On this website, you can find PLR products which are, as many of you may guess by now, free to use and earn money and you can, of course, find photos. To do so, first hover your mouse over free items, then click free graphics, and this will show you all of these photo packages. The wonderful thing being that some of these genuinely contain thousands of photographs, not just dozens or even hundreds. Keep in mind that you can only download 2 of them each day with a free account. So choose a package that appears to have the most gorgeous photographs and then download it. What I would highly recommend you to do is invest money into this website once you have made some money from Shutterstock and those free platforms I've shown you previously, because this will give you access to premium content that was not previously uploaded anywhere, which adds originality, which leads to you making more money in the long run. And you get all of those benefits for merely investing like $10, which isn't much by any means. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.